We're near Lahad Datu in Sabah, Malaysia, at the entrance to the beautiful Danum Valley, where we spread out in two four-wheel drive utes for a long drive into the Ulu-Segama-Malua Forest Reserve. The Sabah Forestry Department is working to rehabilitate degraded orangutan habitats in pristine rainforests devastated by bushfires and heavy logging. It's a protected area, so our first stop half an hour in is their office at the first gate for permit, briefing, safety helmets and gumboots. The gate closes every day at 6 p.m. The road here isn't too bad, but it's unsealed and a bit slow. Our journey took us through secondary jungle with only a few tall trees and a lot of undergrowth. You can get lucky and see huge beehives on the branches of the tall ones. We counted 9 on this one. Another gate, another permit, where we pass phase 1 to make our way into phase 3, the final rehabilitation area.
So this is basically the phase 1.
Phase 1, 25 hectares.
Yes. So this is one of the main river here.
Wow.
What's the name of this river?
Taliwas?
This is
Taliwas, I think.
Yeah?
Sungai Taliwas.
Segama.
Segama.
Oh, Segama.
Our driver says it's Sungai Segama, a tributary of the Sungai Danum. This is phase 3, the largest of the 3, with over 2,000 hectares of forest, which has been degraded by heavy logging and major fires during El Niño events in 1983 and 1987-98.
Yeah.
The blue ribbon indicates
blue ribbon.
transit lines. Oh, okay. Where the elephants like to go.
No, it's for the for them to plant.
Oh, for them to plant.
Yes.
All right. So the electric fence has kept out the elephants in this area, so the canopy's been able to develop.
Yeah, so most of the trees here are the softwood.
Yeah.
So the next phases will be to plant hardwood in between this
Softwood.
They grow quickly and provide a shady canopy for second-generation native hardwoods to establish safely. We were invited to find the hardwood saplings with our names on the card so we could plant them. This is part of phase 2, and the canopy has become quite well established. There's a variety of trees in there. You can see different types of leaves, so you can identify that there are different species put in here. And now they're planting in between hardwoods and some fruit trees. Popular ones that they like to plant are things like durian and rambutan, but the kampong variety, not the commercial type, because it's to encourage animals, not people. And the electric fence, which has been taken down so we can get in, is protecting the tree. Shorea parvifolia. You better grow. And Robert has a Dryobalanops lanceolata. Then it was off to dig. This is a nice hardwood, so hopefully it will survive. So you have to take it out. And you can fill it in.
If you're keen in bird and then you like to do a bird watching activity, and for information here in Lower Kawag, we also have 8 species hornbill. Yeah.
Hornbill. Oh, okay.
Species hornbill, and then also we have a few species of bird, like rare species like Bordeaux ground cuckoo, and 3 or 4 species of pita.
So the best way
here in Lower Kawag.
So if you are a bird watching enthusiast, you get your group to apply.
Apply for permission.
Apply for permission.
Permission.
After leaving the project site, we headed for Kampung+Tampenau, where we were given a warm welcome. The villagers earn money supplying seedlings to the project, over 100,000 so far, and they make hand-woven baskets to supplement their income.
Dengan ada kerjasama dengan ini maksudnya pendapatan kepada semua isi rumah tu terutama untuk ibu-ibu. Jadi 100 lebih karena bagi-bagilah.
It's the women who take care of the seedling nursery, and they were very happy to share their knowledge. Some of these look as if they could perhaps be planted out fairly soon. These ones here, they look a bit bigger. That one's a big one. There are some more big ones over there. Quite a lot of different ones. But everywhere we hear them talking about the elephants. They also seem to have a problem with bats.
Oh, they are hooks there.
Yes, correct.
I see.
Oh, so these are for bats,
Yeah, for
and you
bats.
can catch the bats.
Yes.
They do fly.
Fishing for bats.
At night they can't.
Yeah.
I sometimes they can't see.
Yeah.
So when they catch them, what do they do with them when they catch
Just,
them?
kill it.
Oh, really? It's really peaceful here. They've got lots of things growing. Oh, they've got trees over there, but I don't think those are for planting out. So they've got their own use garden, obviously. These ones look almost ready to be transplanted. Yeah? Yeah? Almost ready.
Punai. Saraya punai.
Oh, okay.
Ada
The
bentuk
species from this
ini saraya melantai.
seraya. Kampung
Seraya
Semenanjung panggil
Oh,
apa?
so it's slightly different.
Meranti.
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 Yeah, Meranti.
Oh,
This one.
this one. You think it's easy keeping the bee? Or following the steps? And they have their own fish ponds with tilapia.
Sampai sekarang kami tunggu dapat.
Okay, what have you got? Oh, you've taken some chicken and other things as well. Good. If you've enjoyed our video and would like to see more, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.